This is boring, but you are going to get subscribers, guys. This worked for me, and I believe it's going to work for you, guys. I know a lot of YouTubers, what they are looking for is subscriber, 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 subscriber. You know, this 1,000 subscribers that we are talking about, it's just like it's not much. But by the time you start YouTube, you start posting, then you will not know that it's not easy. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what to do for you to increase your subscribers fast. Trust me when I say, when I started my YouTube channel last 2 years, 2023, it wasn't easy. It wasn't funny, because I thought YouTube was so easy. Like, you just start today and tomorrow you are already monetized. I never knew that 1,000 subscriber is not easy. So guys, I will tell you what I did. Do you know that these days I get subscribers every day? I just recently celebrated 1,800 subscribers a few days ago, and today the number has already increased. You get, every day I keep receiving subscribers. You understand? So please, I will tell you what to do. Though it is boring, you will just feel as if, oh, I'm wasting my time, but trust me, you will get subscribers. Now, first of all, I want you to know that you are not supposed to start begging people to subscribe to your channel. You are not supposed to start begging people to subscribe to your channel. Do this instead. Try doing call to action on your videos. Have you ever gone to the market before, and then you just pass a particular shop, and the market woman just call you and say, please come and buy from me? Then you turn and you check what she's selling. You see that, oh, I really need this thing in my house. Then you go there and patronize her. I believe it has happened to you, because me, it has happened several times. Normally, if that woman did not call me, I would have not branched her shop. But because she called me, I have to go there, check what she's selling. If it's something I need, I will buy from her. You get that? Is also how it is on YouTube. When you tell people to subscribe, though not everybody that will listen to you. Some people will just, I bet I'm not subscribing. But some people, you just need to tell them. If you don't tell them, they won't subscribe. They'll watch a video and they will go. So please always use this call to action on your videos. I'm not saying you should start begging them. Don't start, please now, guys, subscribe. No, don't do that. Just tell them, if you know you enjoyed this video and you would love to see more, please kindly subscribe, so that when next I post a video, you will be the first person to get notified. You get, just tell them. That's what we call call to action. Call to action is working, guys. Hey. So that is just the first one I'm talking about today. So that is the first one. So the second thing you need to do for you to get subscribers on this YouTube streets is for you to know what you are doing on this YouTube streets. See, you are on YouTube, you are not talking to children, no. You understand? You're not talking to babies. You're talking to adults. Know what you are doing. Some people, even if you want to copy somebody else's content and post on your channel, know what you are doing. Say it with confidence, so that that person will know that you know what you are saying. It's not somebody is watching your video and the person is like, what is she trying to say? What is he trying to explain? I don't understand. How will that person subscribe to your channel? The person will not like to subscribe, because the person did not gain value from your video, nothing. So what am I trying to say? In other words, I'm trying to say, whatever kind of content you are posting, make sure you know what you are doing. Make sure you know what you are doing. That is another thing that will attract subscribers to your channel. All this sub for sub and the rest, it will give you subscribers, but all those subscribers, they are not subscribers that have come to stay. That's what I think. That's what I believe. They are not people that have come to stay. Any moment they can leave. There is nothing like somebody sees your content, the person watch it, the person enjoy it, and the person will be like, wow, I really want to watch more of this girl's video. I want to see more of this guy's video. They will subscribe and wait for the next upload. Do you understand? So that is the second thing I'm talking about today. So for the third tip I will give to you is this. If something that is in your niche is trending, please go into it. Don't say, hey, because it's trending. People will not be saying, hey, because it's trending, I will not do. Please, if it's in your niche, go into it. It will give you subscribers. I'm not joking. I remember when fake background was raining last year, just last year, a lot of people got monetized. People that were not even having up to that 1,000 subscribers, they add more, and they also add more watch hours, and they were able to monetize their channel. I know people like that on this YouTube streets. So if something that is in your niche, that is around your niche, even that fake background, there were people that Their channel does not even concern all those editing songs. You get, maybe it's about cooking or vlog, but when they saw that na fake background dey reign like this, they had to jump into it and they were doing videos on it. People were getting subscribers from fake. Even till now, so people are still doing that kind of video, fake background, because we have a whole lot of people in this world, millions of people, billions of people, we have them on this YouTube. Yeah, billions of people are on YouTube. So if something is trendy, please dive it. It will give you subscribers. It will give you subscribers. I'm telling you the truth. It will give you subscribers. So please stop doing sub for sub. Subscribe to my channel. Let me subscribe to your channel. So are you still going to tell that person to watch my video? Let me watch your video. No, you need people that will come and stay. All this sub for sub. Tomorrow when they get tired of your video, they will just unsubscribe and go. Please, do things the right way. Do things the right way. Do not start begging people to subscribe to your channel. Don't start begging anybody you see on the road, please, I have a YouTube channel, come and subscribe. Don't do that. A time will come when you already have the subscribers that you want. What you are not looking for is views, people that will be watching your videos. That's what you now need. So the way you lay the foundation of your YouTube, that's how it will continue. So please do it wisely. Do it wisely, because sometimes when you make mistake when you started the YouTube channel, if you are not trying to correct it later, it will be a problem. So I will advise you to do it wisely. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, kindly like this video, drop me a comment and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.